The diagram below shows a circuit composed of two logic gates labeled OR and AND. Each gate takes two inputs and produces a single output. If the inputs A and C are both true, the following best describes the output of the AND gate. So we have this OR gate here that takes in A and B, and then this AND gate which takes in C and the result of the OR gate and produces the output. So the question tells us asks us to find the value of output, the output of the AND gate, if C is true and A is also true. So let's do the OR gate first. So since this is an OR gate and one of our inputs is true, that means the result of this OR gate is always going to be true because an OR gate checks if either one of the result of the inputs is true. So that means if A is true, then the OR gate produces a true output. If B is true, the OR gate produces a true output, or if both are true. So if A and B were both true. So it doesn't matter whether B is true or false. Since one of the inputs is already true, the OR gate will always return true. So that means that the inputs to our AND gate here are true and true. And an AND gate checks whether the inputs are both true. It checks whether the first input and the second input are true. If they're both true, then the output is also true. An AND gate returns false when both of the inputs are not true, meaning either C here was false or either the second input here was false, or if both were false. But here they're both true, so that means the AND gate returns true. So that means no matter the value of B, whether it's true or false, the output of the OR gate is true, meaning the output of true and true is always true. So that means the output will be true no matter what the value of the input B is. The output will not be false, and doesn't matter whether B is true or if it is false, the output will always be true, and the output will never be false no matter the value of B. So A is the correct answer.